Welcome to Indian Market in Minutes from Motilal Oswal Research Desk. We will be covering technical and derivatives SII's activity, index, actionable sectors and stocks to watch out. So stay tuned till the end.
Hey, this is your host Shivangi Sarda, and to start with our first segment for Wednesday, 3rd September 2025, Nifty Index opened positive and escalated in the first half of the session to cross 24,750 zones. However, it failed to hold at those levels and sunk to give up its intraday gains and slip to 24,500. It witnessed a sharp fall towards the end and closed with losses of around 50 points. It formed a bearish candle on the daily frame and has again got stuck in a broader range. India VIX was up by around 1% to 11.4 levels. Nifty put-call ratio decreased to 0.99. Option data suggests a broader trading range in between 24,100 to 25,100, while immediate range is in between 24,300 to 24,800 marks. Moving on to the second segment in the equity cash market, FIIs were net sellers to the tune of 1,171 crores, while DIIs were buyers worth 2,433 crores. FII's index long-short ratio decreased to 8%. Going ahead with the index actionable, derivatives data and price setup suggest now Nifty has to hold above 24,442 for an up move towards 24,850 zones, while support can be seen at 24,350. Till the time Bank Nifty holds below 54,000, some weakness could be seen towards 53,500, while on the upside, hurdle can be seen at 54,250 zones. And finally, talking about the sectors and stocks to watch out, positive setup can be seen in Nalco, NMDC, Dabur, CG Power, IGL, Godrej Consumer Product, Nestle, Voltas and Eicher Motors. While some weakness could be seen in MCX, Max Healthcare, Cholamandalam Finance, Alchem Lab and ICICI Lombard. Wish you a super day ahead. Shivangi Sarda signing off. Follow this podcast for solid advice.
Investment and securities market are subject to market risk. Read all the related documents carefully before investing.